Buhari will open my tell me 2015. Same go surprise Nigerians. Are you not surprised? Hello? Oh, you did find another surprise. Obasanjo say education is not for the poor. That's why if poor man goes to school, you know they see work because you go where they don't send them. Wisdom. If big man children go to school, they see work because the work not for them. Poor man, you need connection. You know the way NEPA they connect wire. You need connection. The only work we need without connection like that sales get wanted. That was the pass for road. If you get the work anywhere, you could just enter, go continue your hardship. They give you salary, you can go treat typhoid. Suffer in this country.
You don't ever hold your phone. You got to see different things. Update Instagram, update Facebook. You know, so I hold my phone one day now see update Bible. I say, wait till Solomon don't do again. Wait till happen afresh, where would the update for? Wait till Solomon do new. Because to be honest, that Solomon, unless the story no clear, that person will get 1,000 women, only 3 children. How? No baby planning, no, it's only one. No, that story, I see they look up. In fact, there are many things in the Bible where they look, say, they don't really document. Like that arrest where they arrest Jesus, he showed me die. Say they don't arrest Jesus several other times before they kill him. Because now carpenter, you don't delay person work. Now Papa Joseph go call someone and leave and he just say they preach, they work. No time.
I wake up one morning, see pray for Ukraine. I enter Twitter. I see them give them Putin for them. I say now wow, we start to pray for Ukraine. Now sleep the same day, wake up, now see pray for Nigeria. I say, what did happen? And they say Buhari go pull out for their fight. I said, what happened? Say Buhari say give Russia 24 hours to leave Ukraine. If not, go send Nigerian soldiers. Now we start to go to beg Putin for Twitter. We don't know him more. He's our president, he's old though, amnesia. He has ear problem before, okay? Not be here with the way like Mohammed, they go on Israel. Say give them 24 hours to produce an cannon. If not, Nigeria will go to war with Israel. You know what will be Israel? Israel will get covenant with God. They will press one button, Third Mainland Bridge go down. All of them go Wizkid, they go work. If they play with Israel. Who want go fight? When Lai Mohammed talk and finish, when he turn back, you don't see any minister fight back. Only in PA.
In Lagos, they rob us every day. But they traffic, they go rob you anywhere, you are not even safe. People go shout. The government like say police no reach. Like they are short of police. But once youth just announce they want protest, my brother, if you see police everywhere, that's to tell you that the system is there to protect itself, not you. They don't care. So you have to open your eye because now all they talk about Nigeria problem, people when they chop belly food go say, I beg anybody want with me, we no concern me, I do okay, no problem. Now when people no see food chop begin see your neck like turkey. Once you pass the soul boy see meat. Because you fit say you do okay, you get 100 million, you get 50 million. Once you pass Kaduna Abuja Expressway, you are broke.
When you travel abroad, you go to Nigeria and suffer. I travel to UK. When the child is born from birth to 18, the child is paid. Children get money past people who don't work. And they've never worked in their life. From the day you are born, your government is owing you. Nigeria. From the day when they born you, they owe the country. You are a debtor from birth. That's why I go say for Nigeria people they get hot temper from birth because they owe the country. That's why to ask person address for road for Nigeria, everybody get hot temper. That's why to address, you just want to ask how to reach Admiralty. You go to see the face they boil. Now you go to tell the person, please, hello, please, sir, please, how do I? You go to beg, you go put please. Because when you just say you no put please, you just go me, hello, what? Nigerians the best. You go UK, they don't they beat thief for UK because they pay them money. They won't know why they're going to stealing. You don't beat thief, they will arrest you. Nigeria, we they beat two thief until they resemble twins. Nigeria, for UK, if dog bite you, they will pay you money. Say dog bite you. They will call the person who get the dog. So why did you bring the dog as a domestic animal? This and that. Nigeria, person dog will pursue you from here to Sokoto. I ain't gonna see they tell you. I tell you, say they bite. You don't know. You don't know, say they bite. So far, they this country.
Like normally, check the scenario. As a man, FMV is a married man. He's my friend. You know, if you just wake up out of boredom, nothing happened, just go ask your wife, are you cheating on me? From where? She don't start crying. Now you go begin apologize. Your wife, you just day bored. Nothing they go on. No. You just say, babe, my instinct does not lie. Once women don't bring instinct, but I don't lose the case. The instinct now from above. My instinct does not lie. Are you cheating on me? Baba, you try to explain yourself. You favor them. Do you know that if you try to touch, if your wife try to touch you, you no agree? Sorry. If you try to touch your wife, she no agree. That means she's not in the mood. If your wife try to touch you, you no agree. That means say they sleep with another one. And a man's water, they deceive you. Now then get everything. You favor them. Check everywhere now. Your mother could say, this breast I fed you 9 months. Your father don't talk that kind of thing before. You now you got the emotionally blackmailed, you got the sound, sorry. No, women are crazy. Sorry. Happy Mother's Day. I wanted to say Happy Mother's Day.
Cultists enter bush, go do initiation, headsmen kill all of them. Nothing will never happen for this country. For any no good and kidnap DPO na vigilante saver. For Port Harcourt, Father Christmas they share gifts to children and thief in phone. The Nigerian news they tire me. For Ekiti, I've been waiting. Pastor go meet native doctor for spiritual power. Native doctor use pastor do sacrifice. The news too much. The problem everywhere. I don't know what we are going to do. Una no see the one we happened recently. Taribo West. Where they pray for Tinubu. He speak in tongues. So they Rekabaya, I see you taking Nigeria. Rekabaya. Tinubu they look at us. How much I give this guy? Only 1 million. If I bring up bullion for this guy, go put church for me. This man, Okocha guesses. Okocha, when I give a microphone to talk, you know, say Nigerians they look. You know, say we they take you like legend. My brother, poverty no be anybody mate. When you get the kind of money they will give you, you go worship. When I give Okocha microphone, now Okocha say, we know the journey is tough. I wish you good health. I wish you good health because what you need now is health, sir.
Poor people can argue. You know, so come they argue more argument. Especially how much Ronaldo and Messi they collect. I know they know how poor men they take the comfortable discussion. Just say, boy, don't hear how much I pay Ronaldo last week. There go come finish. Go and see, Baba, you go pass Chevron. Maybe don't drop me for you will buy Ronaldo last week. Now me go drop you. Like no get sense. Just one.